50PSF-2.75 series is a powerful submersible pump designed for a wide of applications, such as water supply and circulation in fish pond, disposal of industrial wastewater, equipment used for landscape or waterfalls. This pump adopts Italian double-side mechanical seal to make better sealing, featuring the SUS3 of a stainless steel motor housing, SUS316 motor shaft. Maximum height 13.5 meters. Maximum water flow is 540 liters per minute. 50PSF-2.75 is an automatic pump with adjustable float switch for different water level requirements. It is a reliable pump to operate in water for a long period. It can pump sewage containing particles diameter up to 33 millimeters.